Hi everybody, my name's Leela and I'm a member of Engineering4All, and this is the 6th video from our online workshop series. In today's video, students will learn about electrical engineering. Engineering4All is a nonprofit that's focused on bringing engineering education to different elementary schoolers in the downtown San Jose area. And for the past year, we've been offering different workshops and clubs at elementary schools around the city. Since the COVID-19 quarantine, though, we've had to move our operations online, which is why we've been offering these online workshops. In today's workshop, students will learn about how creating and designing batteries are a part of some electrical engineers' jobs. They will learn this through the last activity in our workshop, where they will get to create and design their own battery.
Electrical engineers are typically interested in using concepts from electronics and physics. Specifically, they use concepts combined with mechanical engineering and computer science to make products that improve the quality of life of humans. They also work closely with scientists, doctors, and other engineers to develop equipment and devices that are more efficient. Some examples of the work done by electronical engineers are computers, circuits, individual computer components like resistors, capacitors, and transistors.
So what are batteries? Batteries are containers that store energy until it is needed. Chemicals inside the battery react to make electricity. In fact, batteries give electric power to many items that can be found around your household. I dare you right now to try to find some items around your house that have batteries in them. Some examples include remote controls, clocks, and even the device that you're watching this on right now. Now we are going to be talking about the two main types of batteries.
There are two main types of batteries. The first is called a primary battery. Primary batteries can be used once, and once the products used in the chemical reaction to create electricity are used up, this kind of battery can no longer produce energy. These batteries are most commonly found in flashlights, clocks, remotes, and toys. The second kind of battery is rechargeable, and it's called a secondary battery. These batteries can be recharged with an electrical current from another source. An example of this is plugging a phone in to charge. These batteries are found in cars, laptops, and other devices.
Okay, so how it works. Electrons flow along a wire from the battery to the device in order to power it. This system is also an example of an electric circuit. When connected, electrons will flow from the negative electrode, or the anode, to the positive electrode, also known as the cathode. Inside of the battery, there's also a separator, which is placed between the anode and cathode in order to stop the electrons from directly flowing from one electrode to the other. Instead, this allows the electrodes to flow to our devices and power them. A substance called an electrolyte is also placed between the two electrodes in order to make the anode and cathode become negatively and positively charged, respectively. In our project, we will need aluminum foil, which will act as the anode, pennies acting as the cathode, paper towels, which will be the separator, and vinegar as the electrolyte. You will also need duct tape or electrical tape.
To make your homemade battery, first tier a square piece of aluminum foil, about 3 inches or 8 centimeters per side. Fold the aluminum foil into a square about 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters on each side. The exact size is not important, but the square piece of aluminum foil should be a little bit bigger than a penny. Rip a piece of paper towel about the same size as the aluminum foil and fold it into a similarly sized square. Next, rip a piece of duct tape that is about the same width as the paper towel. Layer the penny, paper towel square, and aluminum foil squares on top of the duct tape. The penny should stick out from the duct tape sling. Line out the paper towel with the duct tape edge on the penny side and be completely covered on the other side. The aluminum foil should hang over the other end of the duct tape and should not touch the penny at all. Fold over the duct tape to hold the 3 layers together to make your DIY or do-it-yourself battery. Finally, add a few drops of vinegar to the paper towel to act as the electrolyte. Your battery is now complete.
Great job, everyone! We are so proud of you for learning more about electrical engineering. Throughout this video, you have used the same process that all engineers use to develop their ideas into everyday products. Asking a question: what is a battery? Brainstorming. Think and discuss what a battery is. Prototype. Trying to create individual parts of the whole model to get an idea of what the final product will look like before actually creating it. Design, where we sketch or visualize how the model of the battery will look from the data we gathered from the prototype. Build, building the whole model itself. Test, since this is a model, we can compare it to real batteries and see how similar it is. Redesign to improve, either improve or be satisfied for what we have. Now we will do a quick review on what batteries are. A battery is a container that stores energy until it is needed. Chemicals inside the battery react to make electricity. With the different materials we have, we are able to create our own battery to understand the ways the different parts of everything communicates with each other to act as a battery. Thank you for watching our video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to also follow our social medias and donate if you can. We make new videos every week, and if you would like to see more videos about bioengineering, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. See you next week!